This is our lecture number 27. In this lecture we take one problem based on the design of T-beam. So we have this problem: determine area of tension reinforcement for T-beam to resist fractured moment 300 kN meter. Use M20 and Fe415 steel. Width of flange is equal to 1400 mm. Width of web is equal to 300 mm. Thickness of flange is equal to 100 mm and effective depth is equal to 700 mm. So let's find the area of tension reinforcement for T-beam. So here we have used our first steps which we already discussed in our previous lectures. So step number 1, in which we assume XU is equal to DF, because we have not given XU, and for finding the ST we need a XU. That's why here we take XU is equal to DF. So first we have to find the XU. So for that you required moment of resistance. So we have one formula for moment of resistance is equal to 0.36 FCK BF XU D minus 0.42 XU. But here we have not given XU, but we have DF value. That's why here we change this XU with DF. If you change this XU with DF, you easily find the moment of resistance value. So 0.36 into 20 into 1400 into 100, 700 minus 0.42 into 100. This is our equation. Now we have to solve this equation. So 0.42 into 100, 700 minus answer into 100 into 1400 into 20 into 0.36 divided by 10 raised to the power 6, because we want our answer in kilonewton meter. So here we get 663.26. Here we get 623.66 kilonewton meter. Here we get this value MR. But from our problem we find that bending moment is less than MR. So in this condition we have used this same formula, but instead of MR here we use bending moment and find the value of XU. After finding the XU we have used tension reinforcement formula for finding the AST. But if here I find and we get bending moment is greater than MR, then we have to find MR2 in that case. But here we find MR and we get bending moment is less than MR. That's why here we used the same equation, but here we change bending moment value which is given in our problem. That value we have to take for finding the value of XU. So let's find the value of XU. So for finding the value of XU, now what we have to do, we have to simply write the equation. Equation is moment of resistance, means 300 into 10 raised to the power 6, 0.36 FCK BF XU D minus 0.42 XU. You have to put values in this equation. So let's put 0.36 into 20 into 1400 into XU, 700 minus 0.42 into XU. Now change this form in a quadratic equation. So here we get quadratic equation solve this, you get 180 xu 700 minus 0.42 xu. Now solve this equation, you got 180 into 700, 7056000 xu minus 0.42 into 180, 4233.6 xu square, and here you have 300 into 10 raised to the power 6. So when you solve this equation, you get 43.66 mm, 43.66 mm value of xu. So this is our value of xu. After finding the value of xu, you have to find the section, which section you have to design, balance section, under reinforced section or over reinforced section. For that you have given fy value is 415, and you know that for fy value of 415, xu max is equal to xu max is equal to 0.48 into d. So 0.48 into 700, here we get answer is 336 mm. That means xu is less than xu max. So this section is under reinforced section, under reinforced section. So if this section is under reinforced section, you have to find the AST. So in that case, if you have to find the AST, you have to take the formula of tension side equation. So let's take that formula and find the value of AST. So bending moment is equal to 0.87 Fy AST d minus 0.42 xu. This is our formula. Now we have to find AST. So AST is equal to bending moment divided by 0.87 Fy d minus 0.42 xu. 300 into 10 raised to the power 6 divided by 0.87, 415, 700 minus 0.42 into 43.66. Now solve this equation and find the value of AST. So 0.42 into 43.66, 700 minus answer into 415 into 0.87. Here you get 1218.9 mm square. This is the value of AST. So here area of tension reinforcement is 1218.9, and with the help of this area, now you have to find the number of bars, because we have provided reinforcement in the form of bar. So here you take 16 mm bar or 18 mm bar, it's your choice. If here I take 16 mm bar, that let's see how much bar we required for that reinforcement. So if we take 16 mm bar, so first you have to find the area of single bar. So area of single bar is 200.96 mm square. This is the area of single 16 bar. Now divide this total area with this. So 1218.9 divided by 200.96, you got here 6.06, but you not provide a bar in this form. So if you take 7 bar here. So for providing this 7 bar, we have to calculate area again, because this area here increase. So here we have find area of 6.06 bar, but now we have to provide the 7 bars. So after that you have to find the area for 7 bars. So area of 7 bar is 7 into pi by 4 into 16 का square. 7 into pi by 4 into 16 का square. Here you get 1406.72 mm square. This is the area you provided in this T-beam. So that problem is solved by this technique. This is very easy problem, because in this case we have find MR and we get bending moment is less than MR. If here we get MR greater than bending moment greater than MR, then you have to find MR2 again and find the value of XU. After finding the value XU, you again find the area of steel. So that lecture is over, guys. Now we meet with our next lecture, in which we take another unit of our syllabus. So thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment me in my comment box. Thank you.